Hello again, guys. Gregola Productions back again with another episode of the GPWS, and we are back with a solution to our problem that we had last time on the Sleep Meter series, and that is this center wheel with its slip clutch having a really bad time because the slip clutch wasn't it was slipping too much. It was doing its job too well, where the gear was spinning with the gear train, but this shaft, which had the minute hand attached to it, wasn't moving, and the hour hand wasn't moving. Literally no hands were moving except for the seconds hand, which was operating independent of this. So what we did was flip it upside down like that, put it up against a piece of aluminum, and angled it with my, I'm not going to do it again because I've already done it. Done it like that, taken my my pliers, angled it like that, and I hammered the pliers, and I got the wheel off. So that piece of brass on the front, that collet there, came off, and the whole thing came apart. And really all I had to do was take, on this spring here, was take each of those tabs there and bend them up. And then suddenly this wheel has tension again, and it's working like it should. So that's great. We can now put this together again and see what happens. I thought this was going to be way harder than it was. That's why I ended the video where I did originally, because I had absolutely no idea what would happen here. I thought this may be like the be-all, end-all of the entire project, but nope. We've also added some rubber grommets from Home Depot in here to replace the originals that just completely died. Yeah, we were screwing around with just random crap that I had lying around, like these bearings here, but this is a better solution to our problem. These are really nice grommets. I can't remember the size right now, but yeah, they're just from Home Depot in their hardware section. So anyway, yeah, this has it has that, I guess, rubber cushioning effect going on, where any sound vibration, not that this was even doing that anyway, but any sound vibration can't make it through the case now, if that makes any sense. I think that's I don't know why entirely Westclox decided to use rubber grommets in these things a lot of the time. I don't know if it was a sound deal, or if it was just a cheap material, or why they decided to hold a lot of their movements in their cases with rubber grommets. But anyway, we've got some new ones. They didn't fit the holes, so I just put them under. It's the same, the effect is the same, so it doesn't block anything either. It almost blocks the intermediate wheel. There's one here that cuts it very close. You can't really see that. I'm doing this at such a weird angle, but yeah. No, this is basically ready to go now. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is turn the power on, and we're gonna give this a spin start, and away we go. You can hear a bit of the noise it's making. It's just very quiet, but it's running good. The hands are moving, so that slip clutch issue was corrected. And yeah, this thing now has a new lease on life. What we're gonna do as well is, I've got a big bend knob. I'm gonna take this dust cover off. I'm probably gonna cut it off, because unless I can find a knob that works with that, I might be able to track one down. I may have a clock that, you know, some parts clock that has an alarm knob that'll screw onto that. But otherwise, this is done. Some people would love that, and some people would hate that. That's all I can really say there. I am a little bit disappointed that this didn't have a bell alarm, but, you know, what can you do? One other thing we may do is we may swap the new plug out for the original Bakelite, or maybe that's not Bakelite, that early plastic plug. And you can see me struggle with it here on the video. This does open up, and you can put this on a new cord without stripping wires or anything like that. These are really interesting designs from back in the day, and it's a shame they aren't a thing anymore, because these are very cool. We'll talk more about these in future videos, but for now, yeah, we're gonna leave this as is. May swap the plug out, maybe not entirely sure yet. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll continue with some other project in the next video.